Hey guys, it's trimmer time. Welcome to my channel. So today I have a video for you guys on how to do a full face, the very simple basic steps. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then stay tuned. First, you want to make sure that you have a clean face, and I always like to go in and moisturize my lips before my makeup. So I love to start out with my brows firstly because I find it frames the face. It also gives me the confidence to believe that my makeup will turn out bomb. I do have a detailed brow tutorial, so I'm going to list that in the description box below. Trust me, it's detailed to the T. I will also list every single product that I will be using in this video. So to clean up the bottom of my brow, I'm going to be using a concealer which is 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. And for the top of my brow, I'm going to be using my foundation. I'm using a foundation because I want the top of my brow to look like it naturally blends into my skin and matches with the rest of my face.
S.koolbeatz on the beat.
For your eyeshadow, you need to go ahead and prime your lid before. What I'm using is actually the same concealer that I use to clean up under my brows. When you do this, the eyeshadow tends to last much longer and you actually see the colors showing up on your eyes. I'm going ahead to use this simple 3-step technique where I use a neutral color on the lid, darken up the outer crease, and then use a shimmer shade or any other shade that I prefer on the lid of my eyes. I do have a tutorial as to how I do this. I'm also going to list it down below in the description box. On my lids, I decided to try out today this chrome eye mousses from J.Cat Beauty. They can be found in every single color. They are of a thick, creamy-like consistency and they glide onto the skin. They are so beautiful and they can also be used as an adhesive to glitter or shimmer on the eyelids. Today I'll be trying out this beautiful color in the shade Pixie Dust and then applying the eyeshadow powder from Dolce Bella. Dolce Bella is it on top of that mousse. I am then going in with a little bit of shimmer in the corner of my eyelids just to brighten up my inner corners, and then going ahead and dusting it off. Then ensure that everything is blended together seamlessly. Then I line the top of my eyes, just a small wing, not anything too dramatic. Then I go ahead and apply some mascara to my non-existent lashes. I'll be definitely going in with some falsies to bring this eye makeup together. Moving on to the face, you will definitely need to moisturize your skin, no matter what type of skin that you have. Follow that up with a primer to suit your skin type and to ensure that your makeup lasts throughout the day. Foundation should suit your skin shade and skin type as well. Ensure that you blend this out either using a brush or a beauty blender. Ensure that you get your neck areas and you blend towards your ears, just to make sure that your skin blends seamlessly from your chest to your neck area to your face. We next go in to highlight the high points of our face. That would be our under eye area, our forehead, nose, chin, and above the cupid's bow. I'm also using that concealer that I use as my eyeshadow base, which is 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, to go into highlight. To blend out your concealer, you can either use a small brush or a damp beauty blender. As a beginner, I would recommend that you take this part one step at a time, just to ensure that the concealer does not dry upon you while you are blending, because some concealers tend to dry up more quicker than others. To ensure that I can't see the lines of the concealer, you will see me go in with my foundation brush to make sure that everything is blended in seamlessly. Now it's time to set the face. You will see me going with this setting powder and press it into all the areas that I just highlighted. By pressing this into your skin, this will eliminate any flashback from that light powder. A lighter powder is usually used to set the places of the highlighter because it brightens up that area.
S.koolbeatz on the beat.
To set the rest of my face, I'm going in with this Milani powder, which is the same shade as my skin tone. I'm also going to use this powder to lightly dust off any excess setting powder from the places that I highlighted. Next, I'm going into contour and bring some definition back to my face. I'm using a powder which is 2 shades darker than my normal skin tone. If you are a beginner, using this step instead of cream contouring is much more simpler to do. To contour my nose, you will see me switch to a much smaller brush just to make sure that it is more precise and snatch honey. Ooh. To complete the eye look, I'm going in with some gel eyeliner and also using that darker shade from the eyeshadow palette just to smudge it out. I now use this setting spray to set my makeup in place. Before it completely dries, I go in with a brush and make sure I dab off the excess. By dabbing off the excess, this further helps eliminate all ashiness from any of the powders placed on the face. Now this step is optional. I know some people don't really like to wear blush, but I do. I lightly dust the color onto the apples of my cheeks. Now it's time to highlight. One of my favorite steps, I don't go in with much of this product. I lightly dust it onto the high points of my cheekbones, also onto my cheeks, my nose bridge, forehead area, cupid's bow, and a little on my chin. Last but not least, we're moving on to the lips. I'm going in with a lip liner, a lipstick, and then follow that up with a gloss. But if you choose, you could just go in with any lipstick of your choice and you'll be fine.
S.koolbeatz on the beat.
Guys, I really love how this look turned out. It's soft, it's flirty, and it's fresh. It's really perfect for any simple occasion if you just want to get cute. And I almost forgot, guys, my mascara for my bottom lashes just to make them stand out a tad bit much. So there we have it, guys. Let me know what you think about this look down in the comments section. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you learned anything. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.